once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on EasyJet flight now on our way to Bristol with a flight time around 40 minutes. You're currently on board today myself, Ben, Demi, Maria and Chili. Is there anything you need during the flight today? Please just ask. We do ask that you keep your seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt sign is on. For your comfort and safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. And please keep that out free at all times so other customers and crew to pass by freely. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin. All are fitted with smoke detectors. Smoking is not permitted on board at any time. This includes e-cigarettes. When using the toilet facilities, please ensure that there are no more than 2 people queuing to avoid congestions in the galley and aisle areas. If you need to open the overhead lockers, please take care in case anything has moved and could fall out. As a result of the outbreak of COVID-19, the Public Health Authorities recommend that everyone should ensure frequent hand washing with soap and water, that you cover your mouth and nose when sneezing or coughing, and you avoid touching your face. Face coverage is required to be worn on board at all times, unless instructed by the cabin crew in the likely event of loss of cabin pressure. Face masks can be removed for eating and drinking while seated, but must be put back on immediately after you've finished. We kindly ask you to please not wipe down the tray tables or your seating area. Specialist cleaning materials have been used for the protection against the virus. In case of spillages, please advise a member of the cabin crew who can provide you with wipes. We will shortly commence our Be Sure service this morning. We've only been taking card payments and we prefer you to use contacts where possible. Unfortunately, we will not be selling any hot drinks or any freshly prepared sandwiches. Throughout the flight, we'll be passing through the cabins to collect any items of rubbish you have. Please do not leave any items of rubbish in the seat pockets or in your seating area, and intend to dispose of it when we complete rubbish collections. If you do need to dispose of a face mask, please advise the cabin crew who will give you advice to do this safely. Now we ask you to sit back, relax, and enjoy our short flight down to Bristol, and if there's anything you need, do not hesitate to ask.